Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix iPhone 16 slow charging and not charging problems. So I have a few steps for you to check on this one. Let's start with the first one. So as you can see right here, I have a screenshot and this is going to be the first step. Make sure this is clean. This one right here, this part of your phone. May it be a different size, a different lookout if you're having an updated version of iPhone. I think iPhone 16 doesn't look like this anymore. Anyway, it's still the same idea. Clean it and sometimes there's going to be lint in there. Just make sure your phone is going to be turned off before cleaning this one because those are electronics. Now that's going to be step 1. And now step 2 for this one is check charging accessories. Meaning, if you're having multiple charger, make sure all of them are authenticated and legit. Step number 3, reset all settings. Go to settings right there. Go all the way down. Look for one that says general. And when you're in here, click on this one, Reset iPhone. So once you click on Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings, and you'll be good to go. Now speaking about chargers, let's talk about wireless chargers. Now I do not promote them, so make sure you're buying legit wireless chargers. MagSafe are going to be the one for you, and make sure you're good to go. Now for the next one, let's force restart our phone. How can we do that? Just basically turning it off. Just by holding the lower volume, should be wrong right here, and the power button at the same time. Wait for the Apple logo to go back on and go back off, and turn it back on once again before releasing those two buttons. That's how you force to start your phone. Next up, check for moisture warning. Usually, moisture warning can be found in settings for higher version of iPhone. Since I am only using an iPhone XR, it cannot really show in settings, but for iPhone 16 and 15, I think there's a moisture warning. Meaning, same drill guys, in here there's going to be water. For phones having water here, there's going to be a moisture warning. Make sure everything is dried out. Add a Q-tip inside here to dry it out. Just make sure your phone is turned off. Now lastly, once everything is still not working, just turn off your phone, contact support, but I doubt that that will reach to your conclusion. Because the first few steps are going to be fix your problem. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.